Gold IRA versus traditional IRA. What's the difference? What's the difference between a gold IRA and a traditional IRA? In a traditional IRA, you're investing in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. But those can be risky, especially during market downturns. With a gold IRA, you're investing in something tangible, physical gold. That means when the market is unpredictable, your retirement savings have the security of a hard asset. And the best part? You still get the same tax advantages as a traditional IRA. So why not diversify your retirement savings with a gold IRA? Visit the link below the video or goldforthefuture.com to see how easy it is to get started. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.